What's good, E-fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're at Joshua Tree today. I have a Super73 Blue Tang R Brooklyn version with me, and Martin's riding his BBS02 behind me. Just us two riding around Joshua Tree National Park. Let's get it. So we're riding about 20 to 30 miles today, depending on our timeline. We only have about an hour till sunset, probably less, maybe 40 minutes left, give or take. We're trying to get to Bell Campground and at least Skull Rock so I could show him and take a few pictures. I think that would be cool. I've been here before, but Martin has not. So we started our ride at the Arch Rock Natural Trail parking lot area because I think we're going to hike there later on and take some astrophotography, hopefully. But first, we're going to go hit up this Bell Campground and take a few pictures and then speed on to the Skull Rock area. Alright, here's our first stop. Martin, just stop 10 feet and I'll take a good picture here. And yeah, like just go at least 10 feet that way and then turn around. This would be a nice space to camp. Today's really a nice weather today, actually. Not too warm, not too cold. Yeah, look at this nice camping spot. Very nice. I just want the trees. We'll get to Skull Rock. So there were supposed to be like 6-7 people in our meetup ride today, but they ended up not showing up, which is cool because if it's just me and Martin, we can definitely cover a lot more ground faster. I think Eddie and Charles had car problems, so they ended up canceling. So this is the Super73 Brooklyn we have. I put the KJ bag frame in, some custom panels that I made, and a surron front fender, and a juiced bike rear fender. But that's what it kind of looks like for now. Alright, we're leaving Bell Campground. Next stop is Skull Rock. If I'm not mistaken, it's about 7 to 9 miles, give or take. We gotta move, because we're losing light. So we're sticking around the roads because someone already said that they seen someone with a drone and with an electric bike get like $1,000 fee by going on the trails and stuff. I think that's sundown already, at least from that mountain. This is a regular Super73, by the way. Not modified or anything like that. Not like my 72 volt and my 60 or my 60 volt. miles per hour. Come on, it doesn't get any faster. Maybe I should have brought my mountain bike. After all. But I'm trying to get Milky Way photos with this bike. Ha Aha, on the incline, looks like I have Martin's bike. I have a better top speed. I think that's because his gears don't allow him to go that fast. He definitely has me going downhill though. His bike goes way faster than me downhill. Thankfully not too busy today. Not much cars overtaking us. And since the park is pretty much closed already, it's like it's almost 7 p.m. now. And the Milky Way should be out around 9 p.m.-ish today. There's 2 spots we could just take pictures here too. They call this Split Rock, and that one's Live Oak. Well, we're here, so we'll just try this. Split Rock. Here we go. Maybe 2 minutes here, really quick. This is all nice to have full suspensions. Maybe here. I'm just gonna take a picture here. So just cross the street and we're gonna take pictures there too, like really quick. I guess that's a Live Oak. And then we'll get to Skull Rock. Hopefully we catch it. I mean, hopefully there's still enough light by the time we're at Skull Rock. That's good. Alright, that's good. I think 5 miles? I'm not entirely sure. Alright, it's just that way. This uphill is the part that's draining our batteries. But that's alright. On the way back should be easy breezy. Yeah, that looks like Skull Rock. We might be here already. So if you could just be here, I could take a picture of you. Like just under here? Because you could already see the Skull Rock. This is it. See those eye sockets? Alright. Just quickly walking at Skull Rock, since no one's here right now. But yeah, that's what it looks like currently. I'm surprised no one's up here. Sweet. Yeah. Alright, watch the road. Alright, leaving Skull Rock. Lots of foreign tourists here for sure. Like, out of all the people that were hiking, I didn't hear one person speak English besides me and Martin. Here we go, Jumbo Rocks Campground. We're probably gonna head back after this, chill in the car, and then walk to like the arch trail that we like, and take some astro photos there. Oh yeah, I remember this. I've taken my sister and my brother-in-law pictures right here before. Oh, there's a lot more restrooms than I thought. Based on my map, the other parts, it's a bit further.
Outskirts.
Like I think 4 miles.
That's not far.
Okay, so we could do it
Yeah.
and head back.
Yeah. I mean, it depends. We got time.
We have time. Oh, would you look at that? That's like an e-bike group. There's about 4 or 5 of them that we just passed by. Freaking Martin's light is 30k watt lumen. 30k lumens. Alright, so we're still heading south on our next exhibit stop. I'm not really sure what the name is actually because my phone doesn't have service. But we're just gonna keep exploring because we have a little bit of time. Yeah, but at least we made it. So it was a Sleep Pass Campground? Or was it sheep? Sheep. Sleep. It's sheep, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's where we're at, even though it's dark. We can't even take pictures. We'll just do drive-by and then head back to catch up with Crystal and Jesse.
Yeah.
All right. And I'm thinking we've gone around 8 to 9 miles already. So on the way back would be, to double back would be 18. All right. Definitely less people than the Jumbo Rocks campground area. Looks like less camping sites, huh?
Yeah.
So a little more reserved, or a little quieter. 60%. Yeah, we'll be all right. Damn, is that the brightest?
That's right.
32K lumens. That's nice. Can it hold that power, or?
Yeah.
Oh, it can.
For I think like if we're driving with the wind, I had like 10 minutes.
Oh, it needs to cool.
Yeah. Without it, probably like 3 minutes.
3 minutes to hold that kind of light. I was happy with my light till I see your.
My bad.
Alright, time to head back. Full throttle, pedal to the metal. Yoo! The stars are starting to shine. We're still about 3 miles away from our parking lot. But I'm going to end the video here. Because after that, we're just going to be hiking and taking astrophotography. Thank you for tuning in on today's e-bike adventure at Joshua Tree Park. Like and subscribe for more content. I'm glad I was able to take Martin around, see some areas he hasn't been. Really nice, beautiful day today. Not too hot, not too cold. On the new moon calendar, so we should see some type of Milky Way, and it doesn't seem like it's cloudy at all, so that's a good thing. Anyhow, that's going to be a wrap, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on a Super73, Ariel Rider, or a DIY bafang kit. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.